Hello students, this is part 2 of our first video, so I'm going to pick up where we left off, and I believe we were just finishing up instructions on submitting a draft of your first body paragraph for Essay 2. And I recall we went through all of these instructions. I even opened up the organizer and went through that and how to use it to start drafting your paragraph. So just to wrap up, don't forget to go back the following day and read feedback from myself and Professor Downey. We will provide some comments before this weekend on the draft that you've submitted. Okay, so that is our lab this week. Let's go back to the module. Scroll down to the week of April 6th. Again, you read the instructions, mark it as done, go to Tools and Resources, read the PowerPoint on paragraph structure, watch the 4-minute video that kind of pulls it all together on writing paragraphs. Make sure you do your quick write and comment on a classmate's post. Make sure the first lab you submit your bounce back story topic, your paragraph by the 8th, right? So notice that they all have different due dates that are staggered throughout the week. And then finally, remember the outline, a draft of an outline for Essay 2, which I moved from last weekend, which is due on Sunday the 12th. This is worth 15 points. Doesn't have to be perfect. An outline can be very, very simple. And this is the assignment. You're just using details from your brainstorming and your organizer to help create some organization, a plan for your essay, right? So nothing's set in stone, it's a plan. Right? And the purpose of outlines is to help us get started on drafting or writing. And what you're really doing in an outline is you're taking the details from your brainstorming and you're arranging them in order of where you think you'll use them in your essay. And so here's a hint, right? Your organizer has 3 columns, for the beginning, the middle, and the end of your bounce back story. You need 3 paragraphs, so body paragraph 1, 2, and 3. So, when you're putting together a quick outline, in an introduction you want a working thesis. What do you think a rough draft of your thesis statement, right? That kind of sums up your bounce back story. Then your first body paragraph, just a rough draft of a topic sentence. What do you think are a couple details that you're going to use? And then your second body paragraph, right? This is the middle of your bounce back story. Then your third body paragraph. What did you learn from your bounce back? Okay, so put together that outline. Make sure you read all of the instructions. There are step-by-step directions. There's a video. This is like 3 minutes. This video, if you've never done a Roman numeral outline, it gives a really well explained example of how to create an outline. Okay, you just click on the video there.
A formal outline represents an essay structure in a visual hierarchy.
So it's a great video. Make sure you watch that, you read all of the instructions, and this assignment is worth 15 points. It's due by Sunday night. So do your best. Again, nothing set in stone. It's just a rough draft of an outline. And that is our module for the week. Okay. A little less than last week. So I'm going to go back to the instructions. And I want to just stress one more time, composing the working outline. It's a draft. Ultimately, what I'm looking for is a working thesis statement, 3 topic sentences, 1 for each body paragraph, and at least 6 details or examples, 2 for each body paragraph. All right, so if you have any questions, as always, feel free to email me or use Canvas chat, Canvas mail. While I am online during our normal class hours, you can use Canvas chat. Of course, email me anytime throughout the week. Warm regards. Okay, I hope to see everybody online this week.